Hi friends, welcome to follow up. Let's have a look at problem 2766, Relocate Marbles. In this video, we're going to explain a solution based on the use of dictionary abstract data type. Actually, this problem is a typical problem which we can use abstract data type to help resolve the issue. So first, let's look at the problem statement. So we are given a zero-indexed integer array called nums, representing the original positions of some marbles. We are also given two zero-indexed integer arrays called move_from and move_to of equal length. So throughout this number of steps, we will change the positions of the marbles. On the I step, we will move all marbles at position move from I to position move to I. So after completing all the steps, we want to return the sorted list of occupied positions. So here are two notes. First, we call a position occupied if there is at least one marble in that position. And the second one is that there may be multiple marbles in a single position. So here we have two examples. In the first example, you can easily follow the explanation to get the last four positions occupied, that is 5, 6, 8, 9. So in example 2, we notice that there are two marbles at position 1 and two marbles at position 3 initially, right? So after the move, there are only one position 2 occupied. So the output is 2. So here the constraints or additional assumption are the following. First, the length of this nums is bounded above by 10 to the power 5. So this number is a large number, decent large number, right? So another one is that the move_from and move_to have the same length, and the length is bounded below by 1 and bounded above by 10 to the power 5. And the last one is a consistency assumption. So with that said, we are ready to do the problem or directly do the coding. So here the thing we want to notice is that there might be multiple marbles in a single position. So for sure we cannot check every position, right? So in this, actually this provides us a very good case for using dictionary, right? We're going to use the position index as the key and the number of marbles as the value. So here we are mainly concerned about the position index, right? So first, let's look at the position and the marbles. So this is basically a counter, right? Collections counter. So nums. So this gives us the positions and the number of marbles at that position, right? You can think of example 2. So the main thing for this problem is that there might be many marbles at a single position, but it's given by a nums list. For sure, if we do the coding, we cannot traverse the nums list for each position, right? So this data structure addresses this issue or this concern. So with that said, we're ready to look at the coding. So then we can see start position, end position. In zip, we are going to use zip function. So move_from and move_to, right? So basically our idea is that we're going to marbles at the end position. We want to move the marbles at the position S to position E. So right, so we're going to do this position marbles at this part, and then we're going to dial this key, right? Position marbles S, because after this move, there's nothing left for position at position S, right? So afterwards, we should return the sorted positions and the sorted position marbles keys, right? So however, this actually has some problem. This is almost right actually in the logic. However, these two examples do not demonstrate another cases. That is, so for position, the move from position and the move to position can be the same, right? So let's first test this. This will return us a wrong result, right? Like in this position. So here the thing is that 2 2 the same, and 1 1 the same, right? So the thing that we need to do is if s equals e, actually we just continue, right? Or you can add a if condition. This will do the job. Yeah, it passes all the cases, right? So this is the WAMP format, right? So, but if you do not want this format, you can do this. If s does not equal to e, then we do this operations. And then let's test again. Yeah, this passes all the cases. So that's basically about it for this problem. Actually, in my first try, I forgot this check, right? So here, let me make some annotation at the end. So first, our strategy is that we use dictionary, right? So this dictionary address the efficiency problem, right? The reason is that by problem assumption, there might be multiple or even many marbles at a position, right? So we cannot traverse the nums list each time. So this is the use of dictionary. And secondly, we want to notice that this check, or if s equals e, we need to jump out of the next iteration due to the assumption that it's possible, right? That is a caution I would say. Don't neglect the case that the move to position and move from position are the same, right? As in our first try here, right? So you see this this test case, right? So here the 2 and the 2 and 1 and 1, they're the same. So with that said, basically that's about it for this simple problem. So this problem is marked medium by leetcode. Actually, the logic, if we consider carefully, it's actually very straightforward. Thank you.